Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are back with another unboxing video. This time we will be unboxing the NG Models Airbus Beluga XL, which is an A330-200 converted into the Beluga. And this one is number 5. The registration is Foxtrot Golf X-Ray Lima November, and it is made by Airbus. And looking at the side of the box here, it says Airbus. And then here it has a picture of the aircraft, the registration, the Beluga XL logo, and NG Models. And then here is the item number of 6007. Or 60007, sorry. So now let's look on the back. It's just another picture of the aircraft, and then all the legal stuff, the item number, and made in China. So let's go ahead and open it up. There's the card for the rewards, and here it is. It is in the standard NG Models wide body box. Type, so it's got the foam and everything, and here it is. So, here's the aircraft. Now, one second. Move the light over here. Like so. There we go. Alright, so starting off here on the top, or not on the top, but on the front of the aircraft, we have the door for where the aircraft parts go into, which does not come off. Then we have the mouth of the Beluga, which is this black stripe over the cockpit. And then here we have the nose gear. And then the fuselage does curve down at the nose here to allow more room for the cockpit. And here we have an eye for the Beluga, which is very good that Airbus did that. So they actually made it look more like a beluga whale compared to the old A300 STs. And then here we have the engines. Then we have the 2-axle bogie main landing gear. On the side here in large lettering is Airbus Beluga and then XL. And then here's the registration of Foxtrot Golf X-Ray Lima November. And here we have a blue stripe with the Airbus house emblem on the tail. And then the tail fin is very elongated compared to a regular A330. It goes much further forward on the fuselage. And then up here on the top we have 3 antennas, and on the bottom there's 1 antenna, and then fins on the bottom. And then on the tail wings there are more vertical stabilizers. And then it's the same on the other side. Now on the front here, it says XL5, and then the black stripe over the cockpit. And then on the bottom here, it says Beluga XL. We have the nose gear here And then back here you can just see the two little fins. I don't know the technical term for them, but this is only the third type of plane I've seen it been used on. I have not seen this plane in real life, but I have seen Learjets in real life, and Learjets have those. So, I'm not sure what they do, but if anyone in the comments could help me out with that, that would be lovely. But I will research it after this and find out. And then back here we have the skid plate. So let's go ahead and put this next to an A330 300. So here it is next to an A330. It is shorter in length, but that is because it is based off of the A330 200, and this is the A330 300. But it's not as long, and it has a smaller wingspan, I believe. No, it has the same wingspan. Yeah, it has the same wingspan. And the biggest difference is just they have made it a lot taller. And then the fuselage upgrade on the front. But other than that, I think it's pretty much the same. And of course, upgraded engines, and then increased the vertical stabilization. But other than that, it is pretty similar to a regular A330. It is more updated because it was just redone and just refurbished compared to the A330s that I believe have ended production. And I believe they ended production in like 2018, so they just finished production not too long ago. If they did finish production of the A330 CEOs. But that will do it for this unboxing video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!